Varanasi Hindu side petitioner and advocates reached court. Big update coming in on the Varanasi case and the Gyanvapi case. Varanasi Hindu side petitioner and advocates now reaching courtroom for hearing on the ASI report. As we know that the ASI report has been tabled. It's come in a sealed envelope, and the Varanasi court now to be looking into the details of it. The Gyanvapi mosque issue has been on for over a year now, and as we know, the Hindu side is hoping to be allowed to conduct pujas and prayers inside the mosque premises, as they believe that the mosque was built over an existing temple. The ASI has carried out a survey, findings of which has now been presented to the Varanasi court. And in a little while from now, we will be expecting the court to pronounce exactly the findings of the survey, though it was insisted by the Muslim side for the reports itself, the findings of the SI survey, to be given to court only in a sealed envelope. So Abhishek Mishra joining us live for more on that. Abhishek, as we know, the Hindu side have already reached court in Varanasi. The court is due to take a look at the ASI survey, the report of which has come to them in a sealed envelope. What's expected in today's hearing?
Well, Nabila, today is a very important day in terms of how the court decides to unveil this report. The Hindu side has already given an application, and they've asked that this should be made public to the people, to everyone, be it the petitioners, and they want a copy through email. For that, IDs have also been given. But on the other hand, Muslim side has an objection. They said that previously during the court commission report, when it came out, the videos were all over the place. That kind of impacted the positioning. And that is why they demanded that, this should not be made public. But Hindu side is very optimistic because the Supreme Court has also observed the same, that such a report could be made public. Now, what is interesting is it's a lower court. A judge has to decide whether or not they will go ahead with the sealed report and the findings will not be made public, or they give the verdict or the decision in favor of the Hindu side. What is also interesting is that today, just in the morning, when the court opened, the Muslim side has also given an application with the name of the representative, that is Mr. Akhlaq, whose ID has also been given in case if court decides to make it public and decides in an open envelope, and then another ID from the Muslim side has already been given so that they could also get a copy. So that remains to be seen. Both the parties have already reached the courtroom. It's just about to come in a short while about the verdict, but we are also expecting that the court possibly take some couple more days or give another date because it's a very big report consisting of more than 1,000 pages, and it will also look into the consideration of the Muslim side. That remains to be seen, but yes, indeed a big day. And the SI report, the survey which was conducted for more than 3 months, has a lot of revelations, a lot of significance and importance as far as the claim of the Hindu side is concerned, and that is why there is a demand to make it public. Yes.
All right. Thanks very much, Abhishek, for joining us on that.